What's up, everybody? Welcome to the 15th episode of the Investing Penguin. Covered calls and cash secured puts. If you are new to my channel, stick around as I reveal how I pick my stocks for writing covered calls and cash secured puts. And stick around till the end as I share some interesting facts about Raven the chimpanzee who beat the markets. And please hit all those buttons. It's supposed to help all my YouTube algorithms and make me filthy rich. Nah, but seriously, if you appreciate these videos, please support the channel by hitting all those buttons. For those of you who don't know me, I am the Penguin, and in this video, I reveal how I pick my stocks for writing covered calls and cash secured puts. Just like anything else in life, you have to work hard. Nobody is just going to hand over the keys to the Ferrari. For me personally, these 6 action items are vital in how I pick my stocks for writing covered calls and cash secured puts. We're going to review all these in greater detail in this video. First, establish an investment objective. Second, listen to the experts and avoid the YouTube stock gurus. Third, conduct stock research. Fourth, follow the macroeconomic trends, the big picture. Fifth, very important, calculate annualized returns. Crunch the numbers. Last, develop a manageable list of stocks. So let's jump into this. Time's a wasting. Get ready. This video is going to be a barn burner. So before you can start picking stocks, you need to define your investment objective. And everyone's situation is different, and everyone's investment objective is different. Are you investing for the next 30 years? How much risk are you willing to accept? Do you have a job? Do you have a family? Do you have debt? For me personally, I want to make 24 to 36% annualized returns. If I can do that, then I should be able to double my money every 3 to 4 years. I want to invest in stocks that pay dividends because if I get stuck with these stocks during a down market, at least I can still collect the dividends. I have to be willing to own these stocks long term. I want to maintain a conservative stock portfolio. You know, I worked too hard in my life to see all my money disappear in a risky meme stock. I need to go to bed at night with a clear mind. Finally, I want to maximize my downside risk, and the premium collected from covered calls and cash secured puts is a great way to accomplish this. Listen to the experts and avoid the YouTube stock gurus. I did a search on YouTube for stock experts, and this is what I got. No joke. Do these guys look like stock experts to you? To the moon. This will be worth trillions. Technical analysis is bullshit. Load the boat. I think you get the point. So this is a list of investment channels that I like to watch in my spare time. Alan Ellman, the blue collar investor. Great educational videos. I must have watched his videos over and over and over again until my brain absorbed it all. Core position trading, John CPT dashboard. Great motivational videos. You get to see everything he does and understand his mindset. Covered Calls Advisor. His blog is really good and I think his analysis is very in-depth. Everything Money. I love this channel. It's entertaining and they do a great job in analyzing stocks. Gen X Dividend Investor. If you want to understand dividends, then this is the channel. Humble Trader. She's a day trader. She's cute and I really like her videos. Learn to Invest. Jimmy. He does a great job in analyzing stocks too. Option Income. Steve. He has real-world examples of stock option trades. The Investor Channel. More videos on analyzing stocks. The Plain Bagel. He doesn't review stocks, but presents more big picture and general investing content. The Dave Ramsey Show. I can't stress enough that everyone should listen to Dave Ramsey. We could all be millionaires if we knew Dave Ramsey in our younger years. Vincent DeCiano. He's a day trader and I just like seeing how he trades and reviews the charts. I think he's a straight shooter. And if anyone else has their favorite sources and channels, please put them in the comments below. I would love to check them out and share with our viewers. Conduct stock research. You know, everyone has to do their homework in stock research. There are plenty of sources with information available. It's all on the internet. your online brokerage account, Yahoo Finance, stock subscription services. I highly recommend developing a watch list of all your stock picks and then further developing a short list of your stock picks. For me personally, my short list is around 30 to 40 stocks. Anything more than that, it becomes too much to manage. Follow the macroeconomic trends. For me, I really enjoy following the news and current events, and it's something that you can do passively throughout the day. Bloomberg, CNBC, Fox, Dave Ramsey, all of these are available on the radio and TV and podcasts. Your online brokerage account will have tons of news and information every day. For example, COVID, energy, and travel are all in the news every day, and you should know how these events could affect your stocks. Calculate annualized returns. So I plan on making a video on this subject since it's so important. You need to crunch the numbers before you complete a trade so you know if it makes sense. For me personally, my objective is to make 24 to 36% on each trade. That's 24 to 36% on an annualized basis. So option trades can vary depending on the expiration dates and the strike prices. They can be 3 days, 3 weeks, 3 months, and it's important to know your potential return on an annualized basis. This is a brief overview, but the annualized return is as follows. Your profit divided by your stock investment equals your return. So if you make a $1,000 profit on a $50,000 stock investment, then your return is 0.02 or 2%. Then you take your return divided by the number of days for the trade, and that gives you the return for 1 day only. So a 2% return on a 20-day trade is a 0.1% return for 1 day only. Then you take your return for 1 day, multiply it by 365 days, and that gives you an annualized return. So a 0.1% return for 1 day multiplied by 365 days gives you a 36.5% annualized return. And that is a great return. So here is the snapshot of my spreadsheet analysis for covered calls and cash secured puts, which calculates the annualized return. This is an example of a Walgreens trade. You plug in all the information related to the stock trade, your strike price, your expiration dates, your premium, the amount of shares, your commissions, and you plug all that information in, and this spreadsheet will calculate your upside, your break even, the amount of your premium, the amount of your upside, the number of days for the trade, your total return, your monthly return, and most importantly, your annualized return. Here are all the details of that Walgreens trade. 1,000 shares were purchased at $48.41 a share. The total cost is $48,410. 10 contracts. The premium is 53 cents a share. The expiration date is August 27th. The strike price is 49. Here's your premium. And you plug all that into this spreadsheet and it'll calculate your annualized return. Like I said, there will be another video going in more detail on how to calculate your annualized return. Develop a manageable list of stocks. So here's the list of all 34 stocks that I have performed covered calls and cash secured puts with since I have started. These stocks align with my investment objective. And another way to think about this is the stocks that I don't have on the list. Tesla, AMC, GameStop, crypto, meme stocks. I wouldn't be able to sleep at night owning these types of risky stocks. Well, that's it. Time flies when you're having fun. Having fun making money, that is. More videos are coming, and stick around for 10 seconds more as I share some interesting facts about Raven the chimpanzee. So, according to the Guinness Book of World Records, Raven the chimpanzee became the 22nd most successful money manager in the US after choosing her stocks by throwing darts at a list of 133 internet companies. Raven created her own index dubbed Monkey Dex and in 1999 delivered a 213% gain, outperforming professional stockbrokers on Wall Street. However, by August of 2000, Raven and Monkey Dex was down 34%, and things got worse for Raven and the Nasdaq, which crashed nearly 70% between 2000 and 2002, representing trillions of dollars lost in this stock market bubble. Every stock picked by Raven is worthless today, as are many of those dot-com companies.
Take this job and shove it. I ain't working here no more.
Money music. Johnny Paycheck. Take this job and shove it. I think at one time or another we've all wanted to say this to our boss. Take This Job and Shove It is a 1977 country music song written by David Allan Coe and popularized by Johnny Paycheck. The song was first recorded by Paycheck on his album also titled Take This Job and Shove It. The recording hit #1 on the country charts for 2 weeks and spent 18 weeks on the charts. It also became a movie in 1981. Disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. I am only sharing my experiences and opinions. Investing involves risk, so please seek advice and educate yourself.